FabFitFun is known for curating seasonal boxes filled with wellness, beauty, fashion, and home products, and the Winter 2025 box is shaping up to be one of their coziest yet. This year, the focus is all about embracing the shorter, colder days with items that make staying in feel luxurious and stylish. Among the many exciting products in this box, the Hythe Bubble Blanket has quickly become one of the most anticipated items. With its plush texture and chic design, it promises to be a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their winter comfort at home. The Hythe Bubble Blanket comes in two sophisticated colors, cream and navy, and it's designed to be both practical and elegant. Its bubble-textured fabric gives it a unique modern look while remaining incredibly soft and comforting. Whether you're curling up with a book on the couch, watching your favorite show, or layering it on your bed for added warmth, this blanket is meant to provide both style and coziness. FabFitFun describes it as the ultimate companion for those quiet self-care moments, and it certainly lives up to that promise. It's the kind of blanket that transforms an ordinary evening into a relaxing, indulgent experience. This blanket isn't just about aesthetics, it's highly functional as well. Its generous size allows you to wrap yourself fully, ensuring maximum comfort on chilly nights. Its soft, luxurious material is perfect for long hours of relaxation, and it's easy to see why subscribers are so excited. The Hythe Bubble Blanket pairs beautifully with other cozy items in the Winter 2025 box, such as the intentionally blank après slippers or luxurious pajamas, creating a full cozy season experience that feels tailored just for you. All members of FabFitFun will have the chance to customize their winter boxes, and the Hythe Bubble Blanket is part of that customization. Valued at $100, it's one of the more premium items in the box, reflecting FabFitFun's dedication to quality and thoughtful curation. Annual members can begin customizing their boxes starting Friday, October 24 at 9 a.m. PT, while seasonal customization opens Friday, October 31st at 9 a.m. PT. This means subscribers can plan ahead to ensure they don't miss out on this highly sought-after blanket, along with other standout items. The Winter 2025 box is more than just a collection of products. It's a carefully curated experience aimed at bringing comfort, style, and a touch of luxury into your home. Alongside the Hythe Bubble Blanket, subscribers will find elevated skincare, chic home accessories, cozy fashion pieces, and indulgent self-care items, all designed to make the colder months more enjoyable. From plush slippers to spa-like skincare, every item is chosen to enhance daily life and create moments of relaxation that feel both special and effortless. The Hythe Bubble Blanket specifically has already generated excitement for how it combines both comfort and style. Its bubble texture adds a playful yet elegant touch, making it not just a functional item but also a statement piece in your living space. Whether you're looking to add a stylish accent to your bedroom, create a cozy reading nook, or just have a blanket that feels like a personal luxury, this piece delivers on every level. It's designed for those who want to embrace cozy season without compromising on style or quality. In addition, the blanket is versatile enough to suit different lifestyles and home settings. Whether you live in a small apartment or a large home, it adds warmth and sophistication wherever it's placed. Its thoughtful design ensures it's not only soft and cozy, but also durable enough for regular use. FabFitFun has made sure that it fits perfectly within the theme of the Winter 2025 box, which emphasizes comfort, style, and well-being during the colder months. Overall, the Hythe Bubble Blanket is shaping up to be one of the standout items in FabFitFun's Winter 2025 box. It blends luxury, comfort, and practicality in a way that makes it appealing to subscribers of all kinds. For anyone looking to elevate their winter at home, it's a must-have item that brings warmth, style, and a little touch of indulgence to everyday life. With customization options opening soon, this is the perfect opportunity to secure this highly anticipated blanket and enjoy a winter season that feels cozy, relaxing, and stylish.